Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. And friend, today I'm going to show you how you can easily combine multiple PDFs into one. So friend, in this video I will show you two ways to convert these PDF into one. So friend, let's see the output, what the output you will get. So friend, here you can see these are my separate PDF files, and here we have combined all the PDF over here. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. So friend, first of all we are going to use first way, which is online to combine or merge PDF. Okay, so first of all we are going to open our browser. So here you can see this is my browser, and now we are going to search combine PDF. Okay, so whenever you search combine PDF, then you will get 4 most popular websites. So first thing first, we are going to open first link, which is I love PDF, and here you can see merge PDF option. Now we are going to select the file. So friend, here you can see you can select one file, or you can select separate file by control button, then press and hold it, and then you can select like this. And if maybe you want to select all the files, you simply drag or select this cursor by these files and you can simply open it. So your all files will upload it over here. Okay, so what things you can do over here? First of all, you can easily rearrange your file by this way, or you can rotate the pages very easily over here. Okay, by this way. So again we are going to rotate the file. Here we have rearrange the file, and simply click on this merge button, then your file will combine into one file. Okay, so let's download this file and check it out, the output. We are going to close these things and going to paste into our folder. So let's see the output. So friend, here you can see my all PDF files are merged. So this is my first option. Now I'm going to show you second way to convert all PDF files into one. Okay, so let's see the second way. So friend, here you can see the second website, which is my most favorite website, where you can easily convert or combine the files. We are going to select all files again. So I will mention this URL into description, so you can easily go through that. And here most important thing, which is here you can load 20 PDF files very easily. Okay, and you can also change the order over here. Okay, so right now we are going to select again these files, and my files is going to upload. So my files is uploaded now, and here we are going to rearrange the PDF files. Okay, and then click on combine. So my file is converted or combined into one file. So let's see, and we are going to paste over here and see the result. So friend, you can see my second PDF is first page is showing, second one is the second showing. Okay, so this is the way you can easily convert it. Now friend, I'm going to show you an advanced method to convert your all PDF file into one. So what you will do, here we can install the software. Why we are going to do offline thing? Okay, so whenever sometimes you have very critical document like your bank statement or your digital ID proof, you not want to upload that type of files online, then you can do by offline way. Okay, so what things we can do? Here we are going to show you some advanced method to you can easily do that. So here we are going to type PDF labs. So friend, here you can see this is PDF labs website, and simply click on this PDF tools. whenever you click here, then you will see this website. You can simply download this software and your software. Let's do that. So friend, here you can see the software size is approx 3 MB, which is very lightweight software. You can easily download and install into your system. Okay, so now we are going to convert PDF file offline. Okay, so let's see how we can combine and merge all PDFs into one PDF file. Okay, so simply search PDF edit tool, so you will get it. I have already installed this software into my computer, and now we are going to open it. So this is the software, which is very easy and simple interface. You can see that here we are going to select these files. Okay, so you can see my files is showing over here. Here you can see the page count. All PDF have single pages. If you have multiple pages, you can also rearrange multiple pages by this way. Here you can see. Okay, so you can easily do that. Okay, by this way, right? By this example, you can follow by your way. You can do that. If you want to remove this file, then you can simply click on this remove section, so that file will remove. Okay, now you will see the software is providing many advanced things over here. Like you can see, you can easily rotate pages, watermark, and advanced features and secure things you can do, but it will require a pro version. Okay, then after you can do that, and its amount is $3.99, which is very low amount. You can do that. Okay, but right now I need only combine multiple PDFs into one, so I can do by this way. Okay, then simply click on this create PDF file. So here it is asking me some name, combine or merge PDF into one. Okay, by software. Then click on this save button. So this file will convert into one. Let's see the output. Here you can see this is the software. We're simply going to open it, and now friend, you can see that my all files of PDFs are merged into one. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can easily merge or combine your all PDF files into one. So friend, I hope you learned something new, how to combine your all PDF files into one PDF. If you like this video, then please click on like button and share with your friends and family, so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. And friend, if maybe you have any topic in your mind, you can comment me below. I will make video for you. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, you will learn something new. So friend, stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.